Hello friends, welcome back. So in today's lecture, we'll look forward how we can post the sales entry if we are gonna sell to the person who is residing outside the country or the supplier that is outside the country, that is our export. So as you know, government always appreciates the exports. So that is the only reason why the items those are taxable are exempted for that particular party. So now here we look forward if any of the item is taxable, and if we do any kind of sale to the person who is outside India, so that will gonna be exempted from tax. So in this lecture we'll see how it affect our GST reports and how we can post the entries of those types. So first of all, what we'll do is we'll create a ledger of sales export exempted India, or you can say outside India. Outside India, I'm making it. And then you can take it under sales account. Type of ledger, in this we are not applying any rounding method, so it's not applicable. GST is applicable. Set or alter GST details to yes. Now in the nature of transaction, do not select any kind of transaction, simply select not applicable. In taxability, you have to select here exempt now. So if you post any of the sales under this particular nature in this particular ledger, sales export exempted outside India, then it will take exemption. So take exempt and take here your goods and accept the ledger. Easy. So now after that, what we're going to do is we'll create a party who is outside India. So I'm creating here Super Electric Suppliers Limited under sundry debtors, and I'm selecting the state and country. For changing the country, select here change country. I'm taking here Hong Kong, and typo is the district, and select the screen. Is this clear how we'll make the ledger? After creating the ledger, what we'll do is we'll post the entry, the sales entry in a voucher, that is F8 sales. So for that, first of all, select here the party, that is Super Electric Suppliers Limited. Delivery note is not applicable. Press Ctrl A. Again Ctrl A. Select your ledger sales export exempted outside India. Select here your item 10 quantity. I'm selling it at 25,900 rupees. Select enter, and for tax details press Ctrl I. Select your party here, GST analysis, and press Alt F1. Now you can see here the change is the sale is under exemption. The tax is not showing under this particular sales exempted for outside India. So after this, here it is giving me an option of provide GST details. Select yes over here. Give here your shipping bill number, the date on which you are shipping the goods. I'm giving here my date, 1st August. Now you have to select here your port code. So for port code, I'm selecting here, let's say I'm selecting here new port code, and I'm giving here the port code number. Done. Now select the screen, accepted, give it new reference, and accepted. Done. Now after that, what we'll see is we're gonna see the reports, that how it will get reflected in our GST reports. Go to display more reports, statutory reports, GST reports. Change the date. I'm selecting here the date 1st 8, then 31st March, and you can see here your export invoices are shown as 25,900 rupees. So one more option, one more array of your GST report 1 is shown over here. Is this clear to you? Now this is how you can post the entries for export.